Hi, in front of me is WIKO Y60 and today I would like to show you how you can record sounds on this device. First of all, you need to open menu and locate recorder. Then click on it and tap allow. Over here you need to click on this big button in the middle to start your recording. You can pause it by tapping on the same one and unpause it the same way. If you wish to end your recording, click on the right button over here and tap on the same button to see a list of all your recordings. As you can see, my recording was successfully made and saved. But if you want to delete it, you can always hold it and tap on delete over here. Then click OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!